Hello students, your question is find the value of log 9 with base 2 whole square whole raised to power 1 upon log with base 2 log of 9 with base 2 multiplied by root 7 raised to power 1 upon log 7 with base 4. Now to solve this expression, consider your expression is log 9 with base 2 whole square and whole raised to power 1 upon log with base 2 log of 9 with base 2 multiplied by root 7 raised to power 1 upon log 7 with base 4. Now we are going to use a property of logarithms, that is 1 upon log of a with base b can be written as 1 log of b with base a. So using this property in the powers, we can write our expression log 9 with base 2 whole square raised to power, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, log 9 with base 2 can be considered as a and 2 as b. So this can be written as log of आपका 2 जो है, जो बेस है, that can वो आपका मेन बन जाएगा and log of 9 with base 2 will become the base. Okay, and here also root 7 raised to power log of 7 और 4 अपनी प्लेस इंटरचेंज कर लेंगे. सो दिस विल बिकम 4 with base 7. Now we know that log of using log of m or don't use logarithms, the property of logarithms, a raised to power m raised to power n can be written as a raised to power mn. Okay, so we can multiply 2 with this power. So this will become log 9 with base 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by log 2 with base log 9 with base 2 multiplied by, this is 7 raised to power half. So half is going to be multiplied in power. Okay, now this we can use a property that m into log n can be written as log of n raised to power m. Okay, so this 2 can be the power of this. So your expression will become log 9 with base 2 raised to power log of 2 raised to power 2, that is 4 with base this, and this half is going to be multiply b will become the power of 4. 4 raised to power half is 2. Okay, now there is another property that a raised to power log x with base a is x only. Now you can observe log 9 with base 2 और इसका भी बेस यही है, यहाँ पर भी 7 है और यहाँ पर भी 7 है. So your first term will be equals to 4 and the second one is equals to 2. So your answer will be 8.